Hey, Ken Schaefer here. Another day in paradise here in New England. Another snowstorm. This one hasn't accumulated too much yet, about 5 inches maybe. We're about to go out in the snow and go for another ruck. It should be challenging because I think the conditions are going to be icy and a little bit hazardous. So I'll be checking in later. Thanks. Bye. Alright, I had a little delay. I started rucking and I was walking down the hill from my house and found my wife stuck on the hill. I had to push her up. So started out with a little extra workout. I'll show you what I'm rucking in.